In this video, I'm going to be sharing with us how much YouTube actually pays for 10,000 views. If you look closely, this particular video here has gotten 10,000 views and it was uploaded 4 months ago on my main channel. So if you've ever wondered how much does YouTube actually pay for 10,000 views in 2025, then this video is for you because I'm going to be breaking down every single thing and what you are to expect as a YouTuber because most of the time it's not always rosy. Okay, so without much being said, let's get straight into the video. So hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos, and if it is the first time here, you are highly welcome to Life of Princess Chiamaka channel. Okay, so without much being said, let's quickly get straight into my YouTube studio analytics because I'm going to be starting my screen recording on right now, and this is the video that we are going to be talking about. So let's quickly go ahead and click on this particular video. And from the screen here, you can see that this video has gotten 10.2k views. Yeah. And this is the title of the video. Congratulations, YouTube has changed my life forever and it's still changing lives. So do not try to quit your YouTube channel, okay? All right. So let's quickly head over straight to the reach of the video. We're not going to be doing much. We'll just go straight to the most important details here. Yeah, okay. You can see it has gotten 122.5k impression since I uploaded it. So now what this 122.5k impression simply means is that YouTube actually showed this video to over 122,000 people, but only 10,200 people actually clicked on it to watch and engage. Yeah, okay. So this is how viewers find the video, browse features, suggested videos, channel page, and other YouTube feature, which is actually very, very beautiful. And these are the external sites or apps that actually brought people to watch this video. You can see that the first one is whatsapp.com, the second one is WhatsApp, and the third one is WhatsApp. So for those of you that always share my video, thank you so much and God bless you. Now these are the YouTube search term. My name, of course, Princess Chamaka, and how YouTube changed my life, and Chamaka Okoli. So these are the content suggesting this video. So there is no much information, even down to the engagement aspect. There is also no much information. All right. So let's go to another most important thing you always need to pay attention to. Okay, which is your audience. Now, the audience of your location determines how much you're going to make here on YouTube. No matter how high the video, that is, no matter how high the view is, if you get audience from the wrong location, you might not really make a lot of money. And I'm saying this out of experience, not just maybe saying it for saying sake. No, because I have two different YouTube channel, which is this particular one and my main channel that is monetized, and they have different audience location, that is different yes, different audience geographical zone, or what is it even called? Yeah, so don't worry, you're going to be finding out all of that in this video. Okay, now from the screen here you can see that these are what my viewers also watched, and these are the device type: mobile, computer, TV, and tablet. Yeah, so for the age watching this video, I have from 18 years down to age 54, which is also beautiful. All these small small details they count. All these small small details they count on how much you make here on YouTube. Okay. Now let's head over to the gender aspect. You can see from the gender aspect that I have male to be 43.5%, I have female to be 56.5%. Now the most important that I told us earlier on, which is the top geographics. You can see that Nigeria is 53.6%, and this was what actually contributed to how much I made from this video. Don't worry, just keep watching, okay? So I have United States to be 6.2%, and I have Ghana to be 3.3%. Now, had it been that for this Nigeria, had it been it was United States or maybe Canada or maybe UK, this video would have made me more than what it actually earned me. Okay, yeah, this is just how YouTube is. All these world first countries, they tend to pay higher for their CPM because of the ads placed in the videos. Okay, yeah, but that does not mean maybe if you don't have them as your audience you should start feeling bad. No, this my channel before That is before I got monetized. I had purely Nigeria. In fact, I didn't have US. So it was just one video that went viral that brought me the UK audience. And I think I'm making a video on that next, on how much YouTube paid me for that particular video. So just keep doing whatever you know you are doing here. And as time goes on, just one video is enough to give you your desired audience. Okay. And sometimes trying to post around their time and so many other different things for you to be able to get their attention. But if you don't have them yet, just keep doing your thing. Okay. Yeah. So I think we are done for the audience aspect. Now let's go over to the review of the revenue. And for the revenue aspect, this video has made me $20.83 per. Yeah. So for a video that has 10,000 views, that is 10,200 views, fetched me $20.83, which is massive. Like this is really, really massive. Now, this is the video performance. You can see it. Estimated revenue is $20.83, and YouTube has paid for 10,200 views. Now, this is the revenue per 1,000 views, $2.03, and this is how much advertisers pay for this video. $4.21. So advertisers actually pay this money to YouTube, $4.21. Then YouTube take it, remove their own percentage, and gives me $2.03, which is my revenue per 1,000 views, which is also known as RPM. Okay, so when you get monetized, YouTube actually pay you per 1,000 views. That does not mean that even if you are being paid 200 views, you will still make money. Just that advertisers pay according to just 1,000 views. They don't pay maybe by 200 or by 500 views. They can say, okay, for this particular product, we are going to be paying this creator $10 for 1,000 views. That is, if I am able to make sales and get up to 1,000 views on this particular pure water, so that is what YouTube is going to pay. Now, once they make that payment to YouTube, YouTube is going to remove their own percentage, and they can give you either $5 or $6. So that is what you make. Now, if you're able to make up to 100, 200, 300, 500 views, you are still going to get paid. Just that you'll be paid either half of that amount which was being placed for the 1,000 views. Okay. Yeah, so these are the earning by ad type, which is skippable and display and bumper ads. Yeah. So I know that some of us out there would be like, okay, Princess, I have up to 10,000 views on my channel, but I am not able to make this amount. One of the major things that boosted this revenue, just like as I said, I had little of US audience. I know not all that much, but at least I had them as an audience up to like 6%. Then the second thing is the niche itself. Your niche matters. What a lifestyle content creator make here on YouTube is not what a YouTube growth channel make. Except if maybe you are a lifestyle content creator and you have majority or most of your viewers from the first world countries. That is the only way you might make more than what I actually earn. Okay, so your niche matters, your audience location matters, and a lot of other little factors, your average view duration, and most importantly the number of ads you placed on a video. I think this video is around how many minutes? This video is 13 minutes, and if I can remember, this video had up to close to three or four different, yeah, three different ads. So being able to make longer video, you're going to have a higher chance of making more money. Okay, so that is all what we have for today. And if you want me to maybe make any video on how much YouTube pays for any amount of views, you can also do well to drop it in the comment section. Okay, and also here are some of my other videos on how much I make weekly on YouTube, and also how much YouTube paid me for one of my most viral video on my channel. So you can also go ahead and check it out. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to like this video, drop your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share so that you can get to a lot of other creators out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.